Dr. Bean, can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi to the camera? Thank you. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kali.Alexandria. So excited to have you here with me today in this video. Oh, I'm just so excited to drink this coffee. It is much needed this morning, but it is just a beautiful freaking Saturday morning. I am just happy to have a little slow routine. It is currently at 9:24, so honestly, I've gotten up, I've just kind of picked up the house. It was just like one of those things where like the trash had to go out, dishwasher had to be emptied, the counters needed to be cleaned off, Mocha needed new water, like literally just like every little thing happening this morning. It almost feels like a Sunday, but it's a Saturday, and I wanted to make a little chill Saturday routine. My fiance is out golfing, so I'm just having myself a morning, and it feels so good. It is fall. Well, it is kind of humid outside and like 85 degrees, so we're gonna pretend it's fall. I'm in my little cropped hoodie and I'm feeling good today, and I'm just trying to like lower my stress levels right now so my face doesn't continue to break out. If you guys have any like remedies for hormonal acne, please let me know. I have literally done everything and nothing is working. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. Leave them in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoy this little morning Saturday routine. I'm super excited to share with you guys, and I love vlogging and I love showing you guys behind the scenes of my life. So if you guys enjoy it, please give me a subscribe because I post every Wednesday, and give this video a like if you do. But let's just go ahead and keep on going with the vlog. Whenever it gets quiet in this house, I always try to go find where my little puppy went. She's almost a year old, but usually when it gets quiet, yep, I found her. She is just lounging. This is the type of Saturday we're having today. If you guys don't have this room spray, it's from Target. It smells so good. Like, it almost smells like my fiance's cologne, but it's just so nice to spray like in the morning. Just kind of refreshes the space. I highly recommend you guys check out this room spray. It is from Target. Now it is time to just relax, maybe watch some TikToks, catch up on YouTube videos, drink a cup of coffee, and then I'll probably end up making breakfast and having myself a little workout, maybe moving my body a little bit. And then I also want to go from like a freaking solid 3 to maybe an 8 and put my self-tan routine on and do some fake nails, wash my hair, because we actually have a wedding tomorrow, which it's very interesting because the wedding's on a Sunday. So I want to like look good. I want to feel good for that. So I think that's like my plan for today also, like later morning after I work out and after I shower and stuff. So I'll take you guys with me along with that. But yeah, we're going to try to look good and feel good today. You guys are propped up against a coffee pot, but I just got back from the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a hair mask because it's hair washing day. I'm going to, I don't know, what else was I gonna do? Hair mask for sure, and I'm gonna let that sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, do all that, and then put on my tanning routine, and I will show you guys what I do for my tanning routine. But I have good news, you guys. I am officially a plant mom. This is so exciting. My sister got me this little, I think she said it's an aloe plant. You guys, I am like not against real flowers and plants, but like they're just not my cup of tea. So this has been really hard to take care of. Like this takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, but we're doing it. But anyway, let's go put in that hair mask. She just sits on top of this coffee pot because we don't have any like shelf or anything, and this is where she can sunbathe. I use 3 different things for my hair mask. So usually I'll either do an Olaplex treatment or I'll do this, which this just like makes my hair really shiny and soft and really repairs it. So I use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and I actually use this before my shower as a mask. I think it says to use it when your hair is like already washed and you are out of the shower. Then I use coconut oil and then argan oil, which I swear by coconut oil and argan oil. So even if you don't buy this, you can literally use these two and it gives you like the same results. But I swear I cannot live without these 2 products. I'm constantly putting either coconut oil or argan oil on my hair. Oils are just so important for your hair and just to like repair them and make them shine. I use a lot, so make sure it's very generous. And then I just go ahead and put this kind of all over my hair. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of massage it into my scalp as well because my scalp has been so itchy. I don't know if you guys struggle with itchy scalp or not, but ooh, it's like the worst because you just feel like you're constantly itching. But now I'm taking my coconut oil, and this bottle has seen better days, that's for sure. I use it to like take my makeup off. I use it to put it in my hair. I literally use coconut oil on anything. Like, I swear we don't deserve coconut oil. Now that that's done, obviously you guys can see my hair is looking slightly more damp, and then now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is literally for curly hair, but I don't have curly hair and I still use it, and I've heard so many people use this stuff, so I basically just put this on like the bottom ends of my hair. Okay, now she is good to go, looking crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip over, put my hair in a bun, let this sit for like 30-40 minutes. Hello, I am freshly showered, feeling good. My hair feels so nice and smooth. I showed you guys what shampoo I use. I did like a double shampoo. I exfoliated my scalp. I really like the, what is it called? Brigio? Is it called Brigio? I don't know, but that's a really good scalp exfoliation because like I was saying before, I have a really bad dry scalp. So that's always really nice to have. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my tan. So this is the My Tan Body Skin. It is in the Ultra Dark, which is the darkest, and I really love this stuff. It's almost out. I switch between this and the Saint Tropez one, but I feel like it gives me a nice tan. But hear me out, you guys. I did a whole tanning routine like last year, and I swear, like, I've watched so many tanning routines. I've watched so many people apply their tan, and everybody says to exfoliate, and they all have this like process. You guys, I don't. Like, I literally just apply this tan with a mitt, and I never have any issues with streaking or anything. Like, obviously sometimes my tan will transfer onto my white sheets. Other than that, like, I never have any issues, and I don't exfoliate or anything, which I feel like I should, but I don't. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it, but honestly it's so easy and you just need to make sure you have a mitt. If you don't have a mitt, I think it'll probably streak. So get the mitt. Okay, so obviously I wouldn't have clothes on when I normally tan, but for this video I am. So all I do is take one pump, and that usually goes onto my arm. And I will say this stuff, to make sure you rub it in really quickly. Compared to other tans, I feel like it settles pretty easily, so you don't want any lines. And then I take it onto my hand just like that. Make sure you're not wearing any jewelry, and I think it looks great. It's a nice like even tan. And then I take it up my neck. I'm gonna grab another pump, but I think it's just like a nice little glow. And like I said, this is ultra dark. I don't think that, like, I don't wash this off after like 4 hours. Like, I leave it on for like 12 hours, and I'm not like a really like dark unbearable shade. Like, it leads into a nice glow. So keep that in mind whenever you're purchasing. Don't be scared of it because it says ultra dark. Like, it doesn't get that dark. It just gives you a nice glow. The last thing I want to do today is my nails. So here we have a before. You honestly only need a few things, so I'm going to be using these Impress press-on nails. I really like these. These are just the short length, and then I'm also going to be adding in extra glue just to like, so they hold a little bit better, and then a file, and then a nail clipper. So this is all you need, and you're going to get a really nice manicure. You guys, I am screaming. Look how cute these turned out. I'm so excited. I will never go back and get a manicure at the salon again. Like, this cost me like, what, $8 compared to $60, and I think they turned out really great.